How to make Spotify download songs faster. So first of all, what you're going to do is make sure that your internet connection is stable. If you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure it's working properly, and if you're using cellular data, make sure you have a good network connection. So after doing that, in order to troubleshoot it, what you can do is simply scroll down through your control panel, and in here tap on the airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, and then tap on it again and simply disable the airplane mode. Then your network connection will be reset, and like that you can now troubleshoot your network error. So if that's not the problem, then let's open our application, and in here make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here you can tap on your profile icon right here, tap on settings and privacy, and then from here what you're going to do is simply tap on the option media quality first, and then in here if you scroll down a bit you can see download quality. Make sure that you have selected low just like this. Then you can go back, and in here now tap on data saving and offline. So after doing that one, what you should do is make sure that data saver is turned off just like this, and downloads over cellular is turned on just like that. So after doing that, the last thing that you want to do is simply clear all of your cache. Simply tap on clear, then tap on clear one more time, and all of your cache will be removed, and now you can start downloading your music, which will now start downloading much faster. And that's it.